Okay, I just wanted to send a quick video to just remind you of some expectations for the remote learning days. First thing, in your notebook, this is going to drive everything you need to do for those days. It'll be the location you can go to get assignments, videos, and what the expectations are for that day. So first thing you want to do is over here on the left in notebooks, select the appropriate notebook. So we're period 4-5 geometry, so we can select that. Now, when you go into this, you will have content library, collaboration space, content library, and then your own personal notebook down at the bottom. So under content library, you're going to want to go to chapter 3 right now because that's our current chapter. The second choice down in chapter 3 is our calendar. Every chapter you will get a calendar like this, and it will tell you day by day what is to be done for both in-person and remote. The homework on each day, whether you're in-person or remote, is the same. Just how you experience the lesson is going to be different. So if you're in person, you're going to go through the notes with me, and we'll kind of work through it as a group. If you're at home, there's going to be a video explanation of a set of notes that will be similar to what we do in class, if not the same, and that'll take you through enough material to give you the ability to do the homework. Obviously, it's going to be a little tougher on your own at home, so we will always take questions the next day, but your job is to watch that video, try and complete the notes, and then complete the homework that night. Homework assignments are due the next morning at 8 a.m. If it's not in there by 8 a.m., then it does not count as having it turned in. It would be like coming to class without your homework. To turn in homework and to complete it, you're just going to go to your own personal folder, and we'll use Abby's here, and go to the Chapter 3 homework, and you'll notice that there's a spot for every homework assignment in here. All right, so for tonight, it's the 3-4 homework, so we go to 3-4, and then we do our work directly on this page. So you can either use a stylus and ink on this page, you could do the problems on paper, take a picture and upload them to this page, but your work needs to be uploaded to this page. This is where it is turned in. So if it's not in this location by 8 a.m., then it's just like coming to class without having your homework with you. Obviously, if there's a technical difficulty and something happens, fire me an email and we can see what we can do. But the expectation in general is to have it in here. So specifically for this current day, all right, today is 10/13. So for today, you'll notice that it was the notes for 3.4. This link right here will take you to a video tutorial. All right, and then the homework is section 3.4. So you go to chapter 3 homework in your own personal folder and choose section 3.4, and that homework will be there. You can complete it right in that spot. Now for tomorrow, for example, it's a testing day for the students. I do have one item for you, and that's equations of a line form. So you can follow this link right here. It'll take you to the appropriate form. And what it is just a quick check to see how you're doing with the particular content. This is going to give me an idea of what we need to do on the following day in class. So again, that's just a reminder. Just remember the due dates are 8 a.m. the following morning for assignments, just like if you had to have them ready for a regular class day. All right, I hope that helps. Look forward to seeing you all in class soon.